variation is a relationship between two variables, in which one is a constant multiple of the other. In particular, when one variable changes, then in proportion to the first.
If B is directly proportional to A, the equation is of the form B equals Ka, where K is a constant. Equation Y equals Kx. Variable Y is directly proportional to X. Doubling X causes Y to double. Tripling X causes Y to triple.
So, I'm here to give some example to solve direct variation. My first example is, if y varies directly as x and y is equal to 24, when x is equal to 6, find the variation constant in the equation of variation. Solution, step 1. Express the statement y varies directly as x as y is equal to kx. Step 2. Solve for k by substituting the given values in the equation.
Tell me if you could love me, make me somebody. If you
So, write the formula of direct variation. Y is equal to kx. So, the given is x equal to 6 and y is equal to 24. So, 24 is equal to 6k. Divide it both sides by 6. Therefore, the constant of variation is 4. Form the equation of the variation by substituting 4 in the statement y is equal to kx. So, the statement will become y is equal to 4x. The table shows that the distance d varies directly as the time. Find the constant of variation in the equation which describe the relations. Since the distance of d varies directly as the time t, then d is equal to kt. Using one of the pairs of values 2 and 20 from the table, substitute the value of d and t in d is equal to kt and solve for k. D is equal to kt. 20 is equal to 2k and divided both sides by 2. Therefore, the constant of variation is 10. The last example is if x varies directly as y and x equal to 35 when y is equal to 7. What is the value of y when x is equal to 25? Since x varies directly as y, then the equation of variation is in the form x equal to ky. Substitute the given values of y and x to solve k in the equation. So, it will become 35 is equal to k 7. So, divide it both sides by 7. So, hence, the equation of variation is x is equal to 5y. And the next example is solving for y when x is equal to 25. So, it will become 25 is equal to 5y. So, the hence is y is equal to 5.
And now, it's time to give some practice exercises about direct variation.
We will start first with practice exercise number 1. Answer the following within 15 seconds. If y varies directly as x and y is equals to 30 when x is equals to 20, find the variation constant and the equation of variation.
let me tell you something you can really trust. Everybody's got a wicked side. I know you think that you can never be like us. Watch and learn so you can get it right.
Substituting the given values in the equation. 30 is equals to k 20. Divided by both sides by 20, so the answer will be k is equals to 3 over 2. Equation of variation, y is equals to 3 over 2x.
And now, it's time for the second practice exercise. Enjoy and solve wisely!
Practice exercise number 2. Answer the following within 15 seconds. If Mr. Lopez throw a ball at a distance of 8 meters, the ball stopped within 10 seconds. Try to determine the variety directly with D and T. Given the formula D is equals to KT. Find the variation constant and the values of the distance if the time is 20 seconds.
In the forest primeval, a school for good and evil. Two towers like twin heads, one for the good, one for the
Answer. Formula D is equals to KT. 8 is equals to K10 divided by both sides by 10, so the answer will be K is equals to 4 over 5. Equation of variation. D is equals to 4 over 5T. How about the value of the distance if the time is 20 seconds? Formula D is equals to 4 over 5T. D is equals to 4 over 5, 20. So the answer will be D is equals to 16 meters. Always remember that there is direct variation whenever a situation produces pairs of numbers in which the ratio is constant.
In every evaluation we do, there is a quiz. So, this time, it's your turn to answer a series of statements. Write an equation for the following statements. Number 1. The fare F of a passenger varies directly as the distance d of his destination. Write an equation for the following statement. Number 2. The cost C of fish varies directly as its weight W in kilograms. Write an equation for the following statement. Number 3. An employee's salary S varies directly as the number of days D he has worked. Write an equation for the following statement. Number 4. The area A of a square varies directly as the square of its side S. Write an equation for the following statement. And lastly, number 5. The distance d traveled by a car varies directly as its speed S. Write an equation for the following statements. And later on, we will give you the answers. I hope you can solve it and think it's easy. See you in a bit!
The direct variation whenever a situation produces pair of numbers in which the ratio is constant. The statements y varies directly as x, y that is directly proportional to x, and y is proportional to x.
These statements are translated mathematically as y equals kx, where k is the constant of variation. For two quantities, x and y, an increase in y causes an increase in x as well. Similarly, a decrease in x causes a decrease in y as well. So, still staying strong? Are you guys doing well? Still alive? Still even breathing? Okay, I'm exaggerating. Of course you're still alive. It's just a math lesson. Well, this week's lesson might be new to you, but it was also new to us. You're not the only one who had a hard time learning it. I also did. But it was fun learning new things just for the people who support our channel. All of us in Math is Easy are very thankful for the love and support you give us. You're the best, guys. Seriously, no joke. So, since our lesson is coming to an end, I'm giving the subscribers 2 problems to answer as an assignment that involves direct variation. Take a deep breath, take your time, and solve wisely. Good luck! Activity number 1. Let's recycle. A local government organization launches a recycling campaign of waste materials to schools in order to raise students' awareness of environmental protection and the effects of climate change. Every kilogram of waste materials earns points that can be exchanged for school supplies and grocery items. Paper, which is in the number 1 waste collected, earns 5 points for every kilo.
The table below shows the points earned by a grade A class for every number of kilograms of waste paper collected. Questions. Number 1. What happens to the number of points when the number of kilograms of paper is doubled or tripled? Number 2. How many kilograms of paper will the grade 8 class have to gather in order to raise 500 points? Write a mathematical statement that will relate the two quantities involved. Number 3. In what way are you able to help clean the environment by collecting these waste papers? Number 4. What items can be made out of these papers? Activity number 2. How steep is enough? Using his bicycle, Jericho travels a distance of 10 kilometers per hour on a steep road. The table shows the distance he has traveled at a particular length of time. Questions. Number 1. What happens to the distance as the length of time increases? Number 2. Using this pattern, how many kilometers would he have traveled in 8.5 hours? Number 3. How will you be able to find the distance without the aid of the table? Write a mathematical statement to represent the relation. Number 4. What mathematical operation did you apply in this case? Is there a constant number involved? Explain the process that you have discovered.
On the floor. Ooh, shake it off for me now.
Wow, kita ko! Na. Chika.
There is direct variation whenever a situation produces a pair of numbers in which the ratio is constant. And now, it's time for the second practice exercise. Enjoy and always remember that there is a direct variation.
Ulit nga, Pam.
Okay.
Pam, gusto kang ganun. Wala ka binibidyo agad ako ng pwesto. Lagyan mo sa dito.
And now, it's... And now, di ko na ano. And now, it's time.
So that's our lesson for this week. Stay tuned for the next math lesson we will be learning next time. Give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. See you next week!
We gotta be